This is Duke University.
The donkey's liquid eye haunts the film. That eye is passive, beautiful, seemingly omnipresent in its witnessing of events, and in the camera's dwelling on it, repeatedly discoverable as an opacity. An eye that could be profound, but that is in fact unfathomable. Sometimes Balthazar's vision, what he might see as he gazes in a certain direction, indicates what we will see. In other scenes, the donkey is treated as if he were inanimate, a stone or a ledge. Marie and Sharon chase each other around, steadying themselves on him, while the camera, framing his eye, rather records him as an experiencing presence. The camera moves away from the donkey's eyes when in illness, sentience flows out of him. Distance from the eye is also perceptible in the camera's record of his death. But Balthazar's eye in health and viewed close up epitomizes sentience.
Produced by Duke University, online at duke.edu.